Welcome to Timberdoodle's 2018 fourth grade curriculum package. So, do you want to start us off with art?
Yes, so a lot of things stayed the same this year, but art is actually one of the subjects that changed quite a bit. So, super cool this year is Jucco rubber engraving, where you actually have a stamp that you can engrave yourself and create beautiful art. And these are based off of Native American designs. So, a very fun, different way to approach art this year.
And I'll note on the rubber engraving, it comes with the pattern printed on the top.
Oh, yes.
Also, your child will be able to utilize the back if they want to create their own design.
Yep.
So,
and it's beautiful soft rubber, so easy to work with. My Crazy Invention Sketchbook, I absolutely love this book because of the creativity it has you employ, and it looks at real inventions of the past, some that worked really well and some that did not work well at all. So it's a very fascinating book. And Make Your Own Comics, which are teaching, obviously, not just the simple cartooning, but also gives you the skills to make graphic novels. It gives you the skills to make any type of comic that is based on real life. So, practical skill.
Thinking skills. This is one that we have had for years and years. We actually grew up with this one. We love it. We loved it growing up, and we still think it's amazing now. It's going to teach you, remind me, there's like 4?
I don't remember all 4, but I do know it is both the verbal and the figural skills, whereas in the older grades it's split apart. Here it's combined.
Give you a couple shots here so you can see a little bit.
lots of variety, but really it's some of those real foundational thinking, critical thinking skills.
And it moves quickly, so it's fun for the students to do.
Yeah.
The other fun one we have that takes a lot of thinking skills is this beautiful Sudoku color coup game. So it has a number of challenges, and you're going to set up the board and then try to figure out where the missing colors should go. Very fun.
Language arts, first language lessons. Pearl, do you want to talk about that one?
Yes, so this is an introduction to grammar, and it's very teacher-oriented, so you're going to read a script that is very well designed for you. You don't have to put a lot of thought into it yourself. And then the student will be doing a lot of verbal answers and a few diagramming or notebook answers. You're also going to be doing daily 6 trait writing, which deals with a little bit of the grammar and punctuation, but it also deals a lot with that creative writing skill set.
Spelling UC tackles spelling in kind of a sequential manner. It deals with chunking. You can copy it over. It's super straightforward, but also logical. So
we've researched spelling, and this is the best one that we have found.
Mazdas, we're excited this year. As you've probably heard in other grades, we love this program. Wholesome content. If you're looking for a literature program for your child and you're concerned about what kind of literature they will be reading, you can trust that Mazdas publishers have done the work for you. Colorful inside, really great illustrations. Also comes with a student activity book and 2 teachers' editions. Again, real good, wholesome content, and gets your child well exposed to different kinds of literature.
For math in this grade, you have the Delta Math UC, and again, we have a placement test on our website, so you can check and make sure that that is the correct level for your student, and if not, customize that. That does come with all the manipulatives that are needed for that, as well as the DVD and the digital components. And then the fun dot-to-dot book to end the day with.
For STEM, Pearl, you want to talk about this for us?
Yes. So this is the Edison robot. And it's got a lot of unique features. One is that it can read barcodes. So you can do barcode programming. You can also do block-based programming on your computer and upload it to the robot. And there's also text-based programming if you want to get a little bit more advanced. So it got a lot of different options, perfect for a 4th grade level.
And more of the building component than we have robotics. You want to talk about that one too, either of you?
Yes, so this one, they just went through some revisions, so it is newly updated.
And whereas this one is more of the programming of a robot, this one is more of the construction side of it. So you have to be thinking through, if I want this robot to walk, how will I balance it? How will that gravity affect it? How can I get these motors to spin in the proper direction? So it's 2 different aspects of robots.
And this is basically like a 12-week course, am I thinking right? Yeah.
Want to talk about science?
Yes, science. So we have Dr. Bonafide, which is a fun health supplemental program, and this year's is working on the bones of the foot, leg, and pelvis. So this is going to be just a fun activity to work through. You go through the whole book, and there's a number of different formats, some word searches, some cartoons, and that's going to be really good. And then new this year, Berean Science. Okay, let me show you some of this because it's really great. Okay, so this is going to be like your text.
Yep.
And
so
then,
the blue is the science experiment, and you usually start with the experiment. Sometimes they'll mix it up and they'll tell you that. But usually you start with the experiment, and then they have the explanatory text afterwards. And it's very
brief. It's
yes,
doable.
Yes.
And a couple things we like about Berean Science is it's covering a wide variety of, so this one is Science in the Age of Reason. So a bunch of things that were discovered in this age of reason. So you're getting a bunch of different topics or whatever. Mm-hmm. And then it is targeted towards the hands-on learner, being that they have so many experiments in there to help explain and illustrate what you've been talking about. So very good for the hands-on learner.
So less of a unit study, more wide in its scope. And then this is the Berean Science is Christian-based. So for the charter schools and for the secular or non-religious, then we've got the building blocks of science and the student textbook. I'll just give you a little look in so you can see.
Very colorful.
Very colorful, and it deals with, remind me.
Yeah, it deals with all 5 core science disciplines. You've got the chemistry, the physics, the biology, astronomy, and geology. So it covers all of them every year, which is a unique and I think a really beneficial component.
Very thorough. Let's see. History.
Yes. So I'll pass them down to you.
Okay. These are fantastic. We have the 24-hour history series, which is, again, not only going to help with the history, but also draws your student into enjoying reading more. So these are great. We have the True Stories of World War as well. So that's a set that is also included. Again, same format. Very engaging.
And the nice thing about these series are, even though they're dealing with, in a sense, violent topics, they are not as gory as some other graphic novels on the same topics are. So they're really appropriate for your reader. And then we have kind of the backbone of history this year is the Story of the World curriculum, which has the reader, which your student at this age can read on their own, or you can read it aloud, and then the activity books. And then there's also the audiobook if you want to listen on the go, or you're a busy family, you want to put the CD on and let it play. So. And it covers, this year is the modern age, so it's the most recent segment of history that this covers. And you want to talk about skill sharpeners?
Yep, skill sharpeners, geography, again, wonderful introduction or overview of geography for this grade level. You got your map skills, you've got a little bit of more like focused areas that you're reading about, some fun activities, and a very colorful approach.
And the global puzzle, which I love. Such a fun puzzle. And has proven results that after completing the puzzle once, and then even more so after completing it twice, your knowledge of where the countries are located is unbelievably more. So,
if you want more information on any of these products, it is available on our website. More details and also product videos, just if you want some of that fleshed out.
Yeah.
And
we had these. Yep. I don't think we talked about these yet. Build your own fidget and chess practice, both for test prep and also for just checking to make sure you've learned everything you need to.
And of course, every curriculum comes with our handbook and our newly amazingly upgraded scheduler online.
And we have a separate video all about that. So thank you for watching.